In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from Binance to another wallet. So first, what you need to do is open the Binance app. I'll be sending USDT to the Exodus wallet, but you can use the same steps to send to any wallet. On the mobile version of Binance, start by tapping Portfolio in the bottom right corner. This will display all your assets, and here you can select Tether USDT. You'll then see your balance. For example, I've got 29 USDT. Tap Takeout in the bottom left, then select Withdraw. On the withdrawal screen, you'll need to enter the destination address, choose the correct network, and confirm the withdrawal. To get the address, open your receiving wallet, in this case Exodus. Inside Exodus, select Tether USDT, tap Receive, and then pick the network you'd like to use. Different networks have different fees. For this example, I'll use the ETH network. After selecting, copy the displayed address. Now go back to Binance, long press on the address bar and paste the address. Binance should automatically recognize the network, but if it doesn't, you can select it manually. Since I copied an ETH address, I'll select ERC20. Next, enter the amount you want to send. I'll choose the maximum, which is 29 USDT. It shows a network fee of $2.50, so I'll receive slightly less. Once everything looks correct, tap Withdraw. You'll then see a confirmation screen, review the details, and click Continue. After passing the authentication checks, your withdrawal will be processed. If you return to Portfolio and tap on USDT, you'll see the withdrawal listed as processing along with the transaction details. Once it's confirmed, the USDT will arrive in your Exodus wallet. Thanks for watching.